Hi everyone, it's Dougweed from What's That Nerf the blog, or from YouTube Dougashoe. And today I'm doing my shooting range test with all my blasters that I have. And we're going to start out with the single shot pistols. And for this first round of test, I'm going to be shooting from 15 feet at my target at the door. So first off, we have my old Tech Target blaster. It shoots mega darts. And we're just going to be firing this. Okay, then next up we have the Night Finder, and we're going to be using a suction cup dart because that's what Hasbro designed it. Okay, next up after that we have the Blow Blaster. And the Secret Strike with 10 pumps. And this Rocket Pumper Jaru, I did a review on it. And I'm just going to be shooting the suction cup dart. It's modded. I don't even know if it'll shoot anymore. It's not going to fire. Okay, and then we have the Busby Hunter. Looks like that. And then lastly, we have the Reflex. So that's part one. Okay, this is round 2 of my shooting test. This time we're going to see the ranges. So first out we have my old Tech Target gun, again, shooting mega dart. Next up we have my Night Finder shooting a Nerf suction cup dart. Next up we have my Secret Strike with 10 pumps, shooting a suction cup dart. I hit the wall there. Next up we have the Busby Blow Blaster here. This one's all dependent on how much air you can blow through, so. Okay, next up, we're going to try to shoot my modded rocket pumper, which it probably won't work. Put it there. Okay, next we'll be shooting the Busby Hunter. And then last, we have the Nerf Reflex, shooting with slow dart. Okay, so now for the ranges from that. The Secret Strike landed around 27 feet, and so did the modded Rocket Pumper. Then around 30 feet, we had the Blow Blaster and the Hunter from Busby. Then at around 32 feet, we have the Tech Target Mega Dart. And then at 34 feet, we have my Night Finder, and at 35 feet we have the Reflex. So these test results are perfect, but it's just the start. And it can vary a lot depending on the darts and how old the blaster is and all those different factors. But that's my range test for my single shot blasters. Thanks for watching. Okay, hi, it's Dougweed from What's That Nerf, or Dougashoe from YouTube, and today we're going to be doing the multi-shot part of my Nerf blasters. And I have 4 blasters here. The first one's going to be the Maverick REV6. We're going to be shooting for 15 feet at my target. That was with the suction cup dart. Next up we have the Barricade RV10. I'm going to let the flywheels charge for 3 seconds, and I have a Whistler dart in there. Next up we have the Spectre REV5. Just remember there's no attachments on any of the guns I'm shooting right now. That was with the Whistler dart. And then we have the Recon CS6. And so now that's my multi-shot target test. Just remember, results will vary. The different darts you're using, different attachments. And then next you can watch for my shooting test range. Okay, so now here's the range test part of my multi-shot firing testing. And first up we have the Nerf Maverick REV6, and we're going to be shooting a suction cup dart. Now just remember, also for my last test, the darts do skid, and so that plays a major factor in your range too, so I'll probably be doing another one in the future with a lot more accurate ranges outside, but this is the start. So next we have the Barricade RV10. Let the flywheels charge up for about 3 seconds. And with the Whistler dart, see how much that thing bounced? Yeah. Next up we have the Spectre REV5 with the Whistler dart. And keep in mind there's no attachments to any of these guns on right now either. This darts are skidding about 10 feet. And then for our final one, we have the Recon CS6. Okay, I'm going to go up and look at those ranges. So the Recon right here landed its dart at 22 feet. The Maverick landed its dart at about 26 feet. Come down here. The Barricades landed about at 33 feet. And then the Spectre's dart landed at about 30 feet. So that's the range test of my multi-shot blasters. Again, it's not perfect because the darts skid a lot. And I can't really do much to compensate for that though. And different darts are going to get you different results. But thanks for watching.